The best computer motherboard depends on the specific needs of the user. Motherboards come in various sizes, features, and prices, so it's essential to consider the following factors before purchasing one. Processor. Choose a motherboard that is compatible with the processor you want to use. Size. Motherboards come in different sizes, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX. Choose the one that fits your case and has enough space for expansion. Expansion slots. Consider the number of expansion slots you need for additional components, such as graphics cards, sound cards, or Wi-Fi cards. Memory. Look for a motherboard that supports the amount and type of memory you need. Storage. Choose a motherboard that has enough SATA or NVMe ports for your storage devices. Features. Consider additional features, such as built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or RGB lighting, if they are important to you. Based on these factors, some of the best computer motherboards currently available include ASUS ROG Maximus 13 Hero, best for gamers. MSI MPG B550 Gaming Carbon Wi-Fi, the best mid-range motherboard. Gigabyte ASUS X570 Master, best high-end motherboard. ASRock B450M Steel Legend, best budget motherboard. ASUS Prime X570P, the best for content creators. It's important to note that new motherboards are constantly being released, so it's always a good idea to do some research before making a purchase. Thank you for watching. Please follow, share, like, and subscribe.